Hey guys, welcome to unboxing my Dior Christmas haul part 1. So based on the comments, I think we've decided we're going to go small to big. So I think this is the smallest of the packages that are there. And let's open it up. Oh, and in here we have a nail polish and I think what looks like a lipstick holder. Let's open this up. I hope it's my color. Let's see. Ooh. Classic Dior red, perfect for Christmas. I don't wear such bright colors, but I do tend to from time to time. That's a really cute gift. Thank you. And second one, there we go. Let's open this up. Oh, it's really cute. A travel size perfume and what looks like a makeup pouch. Feels really good. Usual Dior thick quality. Great to store your makeup. And I'm sure this is a refillable. What fragrance is this? It smells like Dior or maybe Miss Dior. So that's pretty cute. Let's move that there. I did open something yesterday when my niece was here and she was like, that's so cute, can I have one? So in this box over here was a candle set and I stole one for her. So I'm one short, but I have to say they smell absolutely amazing. Love it, absolutely love it. And then let's go to the Goldie boxes. It's part of the Christmas collection. Let's open this up. And in here we have some Savage. So I do tend to jump from ladies' perfumes to men's perfumes, just depending on my mood. I do like the smell of a nice men's perfume. And in this box over here, let's see what we have. Oh my god, this is so cute. How adorable is this? I might just re-gift this to my daughter because I think that she would love this. She loves Miss Dior. So that is really cute. And then these actually came from my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law all the way from South Africa. So truly blessed to have a family that knows that I love Dior. Love the little gold charm. And so let's open this up. Have to find what I could do with these because they're pretty strong. Let's open this up. Let's see. What do we have? Some Dior shower gel. And the next one, I'm kind of hoping for a bag. Let's see how we go. Let's go in here. Another one of those. Please excuse my dogs barking in the background because, well, life, home, Christmas, very, very busy house. And we have a Dior body cream. Oh my god, that's so cute. So thanks for popping in. This has been a long video and tune in for part 2 to see what else I got from Dior. Bye.